Welcome to our remote medical care tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of how to use bolus insulin calculation in the mobile app when it is enabled by your doctor. Click on bolus insulin. If you don't want to use the calculator, you can click skip calculation and enter the value manually. If the current readings are too old, the calculation will not continue. Click add glucose reading to enter fresh data. After adding your measurement, click Save Measurement. Then go back to bolus insulin. The data in the first section can be edited manually only if the doctor has enabled it. Otherwise, this data is locked and cannot be edited. You can choose your current condition, for example, normal, after exercise, or during illness. The rounding is already set by your doctor. Click on Calculate to continue. The calculation breakdown will appear, and you can proceed to the insulin dose. If you have injected a different dose, you can edit this data here manually. When done, click Save Measurement to store the data.